Every safety leader has one mission: to send everyone home safe. But how do you prove your safety culture is truly working? Metrics. The right safety. KPIs don't just tick compliance boxes. They reveal patterns early, focus effort where it matters, and prevent the next incident. In this video, we'll break down the safety KPIs every leader should track, from lagging to leading to predictive, and reveal how top organizations use them to stay ahead of serious risks. OQSHA presents Safety KPIs every leader should track. KPI, or Key Performance Indicator, is a measurable way to track progress against your safety objectives. In safety, KPIs tell you whether your team is reacting to incidents or preventing them before they happen. In safety, KPIs fall into three categories: lagging indicators, what has already happened; leading indicators, what your system is doing right now; predictive indicators, what could happen next, especially around serious injury or fatality risks. Let's start with the classics. The lagging indicators. First, total recordable incident rate, or TRIR. It measures the number of recordable injuries per 200,000 hours worked. It even helps you benchmark performance and spot trends over time. But remember, TRIR looks backward. It tells you what already happened, not what's coming. Second, days away, restricted, or transferred rate, DART. DART goes a step further by showing the operational impact of injuries and illnesses. How many led to lost or restricted workdays? Use DART with TRIR to understand not just frequency, but severity. Third, lost time injury frequency rate, or LTIFR. This one tracks how often employees miss shifts due to workplace injuries. It's a key measure of lost productivity and risk exposure. Always state your normalization base, so comparisons between sites are accurate. Leading indicators. Leading indicators measure the proactive work your system is doing to prevent incidents. First, near-miss reporting rate. Every near-miss is a free lesson, a chance to learn before something worse happens. A rising near-miss rate doesn't mean your site is unsafe. It means your people feel safe to speak up. Encourage reporting and investigate close calls, not just injuries. Second, safety observation quality. Don't chase numbers alone. Measure the proportion of observations that identify real hazards and track their severity. High-quality observations reflect an engaged workforce and a strong safety culture. Third, corrective action closure and cycle time. Reporting issues is step one. Closing the loop is what prevents repeats. Track both the percentage of actions closed on time and the median days from finding to verified closure. Fourth, training completion and competency. Attendance doesn't equal capability. Measure not only who completed training, but who demonstrated real understanding through spot checks, assessments, or on-the-job performance. Fifth, audit and inspection completion. Planned inspections must be completed on schedule and findings must be resolved. That's how governance becomes improvement. Leading KPIs show how actively your organization is managing risk. They reflect culture in motion. Now let's talk about the future, the predictive layer. This is where world-class organizations focus today. Predictive indicators. First, SIF and SIF potential rate. SIF stands for serious injury or fatality. This KPI tracks not only incidents that caused life-altering harm, but also near misses with the potential to do so. It helps leaders focus on high-energy exposures, the ones that truly matter. Second, critical control verification percentage. Every high-risk task has a few critical controls that prevent catastrophe like isolation, lockout/tagout, or confined space checks. This metric measures how often those controls were verified as both present and effective. Third, permit to work compliance percentage. For non-routine or high-risk jobs, PTW compliance shows whether the right permits, isolations, and approvals were in place before the work began, and in the correct sequence. Fourth, contractor safety index. Safety doesn't stop at your gates. Blend contractor performance rates with induction completion, pre-qualification, and audit results. It ensures your safety expectations travel with your supply chain. Fifth, equipment and asset safety compliance. Machines and tools are part of your critical controls. Track the percentage of equipment that passes inspection at the right frequency, because mechanical integrity is human safety. Sixth, emergency preparedness and response time. When it counts, speed and precision save lives. Measure how quickly and effectively teams execute during drills or real events, and use that data to strengthen your response plans. Predictive KPI give you the power to act before harm occurs, turning data into foresight. Lagging indicators tell you yesterday's story. Leading indicators show today's effort. Predictive KPIs point to tomorrow's risk. To truly drive safety performance, focus your targets on SIF potential, critical controls, and closure speed, and let the lagging numbers confirm your success. Don't just collect data, connect it. Visualize your indicators in layers: lagging, leading, and predictive. Normalize consistently. Pair rates with counts so real signals stand out. Then, use regular reviews to verify controls in the field, challenge your trends, and close actions fast. Coach with the data, don't punish reporting. Because a great safety culture isn't built on fear, it's built on trust and follow-through design idea. Measure what matters. Lead with SIF potential. Verify the few controls that prevent catastrophe. Close actions quickly, and your outcomes will follow. OQSHA brings all these KPIs together from permits, inspections, training, and actions, so you can prove compliance, strengthen culture, and prevent the next incident before it happens. Subscribe to OQSHA for weekly playbooks, insights, and tools to elevate your process safety game and build a safer tomorrow